Alright, you guys, I'm going to show you guys 10 top movies you must watch that are on Netflix. First off, we're going to start off by Denzel Washington, The Flight. That's a very good movie to watch. A Haunted House has funny characters up in that bitch. End of Watch. It's a good movie about two cops. At the end, one of them dies. You must watch it. And then The Texas Chainsaw Massacre, of course. And a gangster movie, American Me. That's a good movie to watch. And All Things Fall Apart by 50 Cent, Curtis Jackson. Also a good movie you must watch on Netflix ASAP. Another movie you must watch is High School. Mac and Devin Go to High School. Also a good movie. If you're a stoner, you must watch this movie. Another movie, pretty old but still good, Get Rich or Die Trying by 50 Cent. Another movie, The Cabin in the Woods. A very weird but cool movie that I recommend for you guys to watch. Also, Fire on Fire. Fire with Fire is also a good movie that you guys should watch that I recommend. Those are 10 top movies right now on Netflix that I recommend. So, you guys should watch these movies. They're pretty good. 10 movies you guys must watch.